little higher than before myself.
Yeah, well. Might not be a good thing, Dad.
But
you're checking.
oh, that's the knock. It's the knock sensor.
Okay.
I've got a thing I can check it if I get my phone out. I'm in this harness, I can't. That proves to me he turned the knock sensor back on, which I asked him to do. I didn't want to drive it around without the knock sensor.
Oh, okay.
There's one coming in the mail.
Oh, you ordered one while you were there?
Yeah.
This one's decreasing radius too, isn't it?
Oh, a little bit, yeah. It's not as bad as that other one,
Gives me a little scare because she's so damn fast. I can still have some fun with her. Oh yeah, she pushes hard. Just like that.
how's that feel?
Feels like I didn't even get on her and she was doing 80 in a blink.
I think Sky's right. I think it does make a different noise. I think the increased flow makes the exhaust sound different.
Oh, for sure.